Hello students, today we are going to study in our real analysis absolute value or the numerical value. You have already studied about the modulus of number. This is the same case. Absolute value or numerical value, or also it is called modulus of a real number. So the definition is, let x be any real number. The absolute value of x denoted by mod x or modulus x or numerical value of x, which is defined as mod x is equals to x if x is greater than equal to 0 minus x if x is less than 0. Therefore, the absolute value of positive real number or 0 is the number itself, whereas the absolute value of a negative real number is the negative of the number itself. Here, that is, if we take 5 modulus, it is the number itself if it is x is greater than or equal to 0. But if it is the case of negative number minus 6, then it is minus of, this is the definition shows, if the number is less than 0, then we have modulus value minus of the number. Since it is minus 6, which is less than 0, hence the modulus of minus 6 is equal to minus of minus 6, which is equal to 6. Similarly, for the number 0. Or we can say that it is mod x is equals to maximum of x minus x, or mod x is equals to plus of root x square. So, therefore, mod x is equals to mod of the value of the number. Okay, there are some important results of modulus x is mod x is greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Second, mod x is equals to 0 if and only if x is equals to 0. Third is mod x is equals to minus of x ka mod. Okay. Fourth is mod x is equals to maximum of x minus x, or we can say minus mod is equals to minimum of x and minus x. Mod x is maximum of x and minus x, and minus of mod x is equals to minimum of x and minus, मतलब minimum जो x और minus x में से minimum होगा. Okay. Next is fifth one, minus mod x is less than equal to x less than equal to mod x. Okay. Sixth is mod x is equals to x if and only if x is greater than equal to 0. Seventh is mod x is strictly greater than x if and only if x is less than 0. इसके कहने का मतलब है कि if x is less than 0, mod x is greater than x. ये कैसे हम यहाँ पे शो कर सकते हैं? अगर मैं minus 6 ले रही हूँ which is less than 0, therefore mod of x that is minus 6, तो वो क्या चीज़ आएगी? 6 which is strictly greater than minus 6. This is showing this. So all above also can be shown by taking examples. Now 8th is mod x is greater than equal to x if and only if x belongs to R. Ninth is mod x is equals to minus x if and only if x is less than equal to 0. 10th is mod x square is same as x square if and only if mod x is equals to root of x square. Now some of the articles we have to prove. I am taking few of them. Prove that mod AB is equals to mod A mod B, where A B belongs to capital R. ऐसे तो आपको ये रिजल्ट्स लगता है कि इट इज़ ट्रू, ठीक है, लेकिन हाउ टू प्रूव इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इन एग्जामिनेशन आपको ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, प्रूव दिस प्रूव दैट, तो आपको कैसे प्रूव करना है, दैट इज़ द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट. सो प्रूफ इज, we start the proof with the help of the definition we have discussed earlier about the modulus. यहाँ पे आपके पास है mod AB is equals to root of AB का स्क्वायर. ये हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस मैंने पहले ही बताया है, इट इज़ द पॉजिटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स स्क्वायर. इसको फिर हम फर्दर लिख सकते हैं ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर, फर्दर लिख सकते हैं ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर, फर्दर लिख सकते हैं mod AB. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल ये डिवीजन वाला है. यू कैन इजीली प्रूव इट बाय द सेम, वेयर गिवन इज ए बी belongs to capital R and B is not equal to 0. So therefore we can write again it as proof using the same definition. इंडिविजुअल अकेले अकेले जब हम लिखेंगे तो भी हमारे पास यही होता है, बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रूट एंड अगेन यूजिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस we have this one. Okay, now I am going to prove another very important result जो कि फिजिक्स में भी यूज होता है, कई बार मैथ्स में तो होता ही है. where AB belongs to capital R. Further we have to prove that equality holds when A and B have same signs. Okay, we start the proof. Modulus A plus B का whole square can be written as A plus B का whole square because of the properties we have already discussed. Okay, mod x square is same as x square, so therefore we can write mod of AB whole square is equals to AB का whole square using the formula, very basic formula, mod square B square 2AB. Okay, then therefore we can write from the first part A plus B whole square less than or equal to mod A का square B का square to mod AB. because ये कैसे है, AB is less than or equal to AB. This we can say by example also. If we take A is equals to -2, B is equals to 3, AB is equals to -6, whereas if I take -2, the modulus of the product, I get 6, which is showing that -6 is less than 6. And if it is the case of both are positive or any one of them is 0, then the product, if that is A is 2, B is 3, then AB product is 6 and modulus of AB is also 6. So the case of equal to. Therefore, using here 2AB is less than or equal to this 2AB, because these two entries are same, but the second entry here, the modulus. So this modulus is greater than or equal to 2AB. AB. Again further we can write it as less than or equal to mod A square plus 2 mod A mod B. Again, by using the result, here we use the result mod AB is equal to mod A mod B. Okay, सेम. सो नेक्स्ट आपके पास आ रहा है a प्लस बी स्क्वेयर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू mod A स्क्वेयर mod B स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 mod A mod B. स्ट्रिक्टली आपके पास आ रहा है लेस देन और इक्वल टू. दिस अगेन कैन बी रिटन एज a b का स्क्वायर. अगेन therefore a plus b is less than a plus b. Hence the result. Now next we have to show, in continuation with this inequality, that we have to show the equality holds when a and b have same signs. So equality holds when both a and b have same signs. Now therefore we start a plus b whole square is mod A mod B whole square. This can be written as ab का square mod A का square mod B का square 2ab, which is further equal to left hand side is b square 2ab, and this is a square b square 2 mod ab. This get cancelled, left hand side. Then we have 2ab is equals to 2 times ab, and which shows that ab is equals to mod ab. Further therefore we can write ab is greater than or equal to 0, because ये कब होता है? It is possible only if mod x is equals to x. ये तभी होगा this both are equal to each other when x is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore a and b have same signs. Hence equality holds when a and b have same signs. इसमें आपको कुछ corollaries भी दी हुई है that you do by yourself, that also very easy. Some more useful results about the absolute numbers. First is mod x is equals to L implies x is equals to plus minus L. Proof: because mod x is equals to L, therefore we can write by the definition of modulus, mod x is equals to root of x square, which is further equal to L, which implies squaring both sides. Therefore x is equals to plus minus L. The second result, mod x is equals to mod L. If both are equal, it implies x is equals to plus minus L. Proof: Therefore, because mod x is equals to mod L, squaring both sides we can write it as mod L का square, which further shows that x square is equals to L square by the definition of modulus square. Therefore, we can write x is plus minus L by taking square root on both sides. Third, if mod x is less than L, where L is greater than 0, then minus L x, the interval from minus L to L, or we can say x belongs to the interval minus L to L. The proof here given is that mod x is less than L for every L greater than 0. हर एक पॉजिटिव L के लिए आपके पास mod x अगर less than L है, then we can say x lies between minus L and L. It's very important result. तो कैसे होगा? Because it is given that mod x is less than L, two possibilities arise. क्या है possibility? First one, x is greater than equal to 0, therefore mod x is equals to x. ये हम पहला ले रहे हैं. अगर x greater than equal to 0 है, therefore we can say mod x is equals to x, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव नंबर है और by the definition of modulus हम ये कह सकते हैं. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, the inequality 1 becomes x less than L, because mod x की जगह पे x आ रहा है. वो क्यों आ रहा है? Because x पॉजिटिव है, greater than 0 है. If it is equal to 0, it automatically less than L. ठीक है, ये दोनों केसेस के लिए ये पॉसिबल है. Therefore, now second part, अगर x नेगेटिव होता है तो क्या केस बनेगा? mod x is equals to minus x by the definition of modulus again, क्योंकि हम लिख सकते हैं अगर नेगेटिव होता है तो हमारे पास mod x की वैल्यू आती है माइनस ऑफ द नंबर माइनस x. Therefore, 1 becomes minus x less than L, और we can say अगर हम माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं, then the sign get opposite, x is greater than minus L. Okay, so therefore एक ये केस बना from 2 and 3 we have from 2 and 3 we have minus L to L. Similarly, if mod x less than equal to L, then minus L is less than equal to x less than equal to L. The fourth important result is if mod x is greater than L, then x is greater than L or x is less than minus L. Therefore, we start the proof by using the given mod x is greater than L. Two possibilities again arise. पहली पॉसिबिलिटी है अगर x greater than equal to 0 होता है, then again the result mod x क्या रहेगा? x की वैल्यू by the definition of modulus. Therefore, 1 becomes x greater than L. Which one? This one. Okay, we use it at second one. Second case क्या है? अगर x less than 0, that is a negative number, then mod x is equal to minus x by the definition of modulus again. Therefore, 1 becomes minus x greater than L, or x is less than minus L by multiplying both sides by minus sign or dividing by minus 1. So we get third one. Again combining from 2 and 3, we have both the results. We conclude mod x is greater than L implies x is greater than L or x is less than minus L. Hence we can write x is such that if this is possible, then it lies between minus infinity to minus L union L to infinity. Therefore, from this article we can conclude that an interval can be represented by the use of modulus. Now the next article is, if a, b are real numbers, then a square less than equal to b square if and only if mod a is less than equal to mod b. Second one, a square less than b square if and only if mod a less than mod b. Third one, a square greater than equal to b square if and only if mod a less than greater than equal to mod b. Fourth is a square greater than b square if and only if mod a is greater than mod b. I will prove the first two results. The next two results can be proved easily on the same steps. So let's start with the first, that is to prove a square less than equal to b square if and only if mod a is less than equal to mod b. Now because a, b both belongs to the set of real numbers, therefore mod a greater than equal to 0, mod b greater than equal to 0 implies mod a plus mod b greater than equal to 0, which further implies either mod a plus mod b is equals to 0 or mod b plus mod a is strictly greater than 0. We have shown this result because we are going to use this result in our proof. Okay, so when mod a plus mod b equals to 0, then mod a is equals to 0, mod b equals to 0. ये ऐसा ज़रूरी है बिकॉज दो नंबर्स का सम तभी 0 होगा जब आपके पास mod a इंडिपेंडेंटली mod b इक्वल टू, बिकॉज बोथ नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस. ठीक है, चाहे कुछ भी हो आपके पास नंबर पॉजिटिव आएगा. और अगर दो पॉजिटिव नंबर 0 तभी हो सकता है, उन दोनों का सम तभी 0 हो सकता है. अदरवाइज आप कैसे करते हैं, इफ a इज एडेड टू माइनस a देन इट बिकम 0. बट यहाँ both are modulus, both are positive, both the sum of both equal to 0 if and only if both are 0. Therefore we can write a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0. Hence the result holds in this case. Hence the result, बिकॉज हमें क्या प्रूव करना था कि अगर a स्क्वायर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू अगर a स्क्वायर 0 है, b स्क्वायर 0 है, तो उन दोनों का मॉडुलस में भी सेम इक्वल टू 0 रहेगा. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास कोई रिजल्ट ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था प्रूव करना. अब नाउ हमारा नेक्स्ट केस है mod a प्लस mod b ग्रेटर देन 0 है, देन a स्क्वायर लेस देन इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर. ये तभी पॉसिबल है इफ एंड ओनली इफ b स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. दैट इज इफ एंड ओनली f. ये यूज़ किया हमने जो हमने बेसिक्स स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट लेक्चर किया था. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास आ गया mod b का स्क्वायर माइनस mod a का स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 0. दिस विल बी पॉसिबल इफ एंड ओनली इफ दैट इज. अब हमने a माइनस बी a प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला लगाया एंड वी हैव b प्लस b minus greater than equal to 0. Okay, that is if and only if mod b is greater than equal to 0. ये ऐसे कैसे लिख दिया हमने. दूसरे रिजल्ट का क्या होगा, वो ये होगा कि mod b प्लस mod a इज ग्रेटर देन 0। ठीक है, ये हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि इन दोनों का जो सम है इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0। तो देयरफॉर नेक्स्ट वाला जो सेकंड पार्ट है इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रेटर देन 0। अगर पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, हमारे पास ये आ गया। देन दैट इज इफ एंड ओनली इफ mod b is greater than equal to mod a, or we can say mod a is less than equal to mod b, and hence the result. Now the second part we have to prove is a square less than b square if and only if mod a less than mod b, when mod a plus mod b is equals to 0, then mod a is equals to 0, mod b is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to b is equals to 0, which implies a square is equals to b square. The same case, just आपके पास लेस देन का साइन है, यहाँ पे लेस देन डायरेक्ट है। और सिमिलरली हमने वही केस डिस्कस किया, मॉड ए प्लस मॉड बी इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा तो आपके पास दोनों मॉड 0 होगा, और अगर दोनों ही 0 हैं तो इसका मतलब दोनों का स्क्वायर भी 0 है, विच कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट्स द हाइपोथेसिस। हमारे पास क्या है, विच कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट्स द गिवन hypothesis that a square less than b square and hence rejected। क्योंकि हमें तो लेस देन का साइन है, इक्वल टू का साइन तो है ही नहीं, हमारे तो यहाँ इक्वल टू का साइन आ गया। ठीक है, देयरफॉर हमारे पास क्या है, ये 0 नहीं हो सकता है। तो हम ये मान के चलेंगे अब कि ये आपके पास ग्रेटर देन का केस है। देयरफॉर mod a plus mod b is greater than 0. Now a square is less than b square। अब हम लेस देन के लिए प्रूव कर रहे हैं ना, बिकॉज हमें प्रूव करना है लेस देन के लिए। तो हम पहले मान के चल रहे थे कि हो सकता है ये सम 0 हो, तो अब ये सम 0 नहीं होगा, अब हमारा लेस देन का केस आएगा। तो यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर लेस देन b स्क्वायर, ये कब प्रूव होगा, इफ हो सकता है पॉसिबल, इट इज इफ एंड ओनली b स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट इज इफ एंड ओनली इफ b स्क्वायर, वही चीज जो हमने लास्ट आर्टिकल में प्रूव करना चाहा था, ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट इज इफ एंड ओनली, सेम स्टेप्स हैं, ज़्यादा टफ नहीं है, प्लस मॉड ए। इसीलिए नेक्स्ट 2 अब आप खुद ट्राई कीजिएगा, दैट इज वही b माइनस ए का फॉर्मूला, एंड वी हैव b स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू b माइनस ए into b plus a into b minus a. So we left with b if and only if minus a is greater than 0. Again, क्यों? Because we have taken this as positive. If this is positive, b, again same steps, greater than आ गया, if and only if mod a is less than mod b, hence the result. Solve the next 2 and try to solve the questions based on this topic. Now based on this topic I am going to solve one question from your exercise. Solve x square plus mod 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Solve means find the value of x, है ना। तो the given equation is 2x square 5x equals to 0, or we can write it as 2x square plus 5 mod x plus 2 equals to 0, because I know that mod AB is equals to mod A mod B. ठीक है, mod B mod 5 is always 5. तो or we can write it as, because x square है तो we can write it like mod of x square 5 mod of x टू इक्वल टू 0. ये कैसे आया? बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस एंड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मॉडुलस. तो अब ये सब मॉडुलस में आ गए सारे. देन वी कैन फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन बाय द फॉर्मूला माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. Write it like this: minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is minus 5 3 by 4, which gives minus 2 and minus 1 by 2, which shows that modulus x is equals to minus 2 minus 1 by 2, which is not possible because we have already discussed that modulus x is a positive quantity. So cannot be negative. This cannot be negative, hence the solution set is empty. Let's do another question, which is find for what value of x the following statement is true. The statement is mod x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 is greater than 1 by 2. That is for what values of x is this statement true means find the solution or find the values of x or find the interval where the x lies. Okay, we start from the denominator. Always see the denominator. Check for what values of denominator is 0. तो हमें पहले चेक कर लेना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे ये 0 हो जाएगा, तो हम उन वैल्यूज को एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे अपने सॉल्यूशन से. तो हमारे पास आता है 2x plus 1 should not be equal to 0. It means x should not be equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, therefore given inequality becomes 2 times x plus 1, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर लिया हमने, and 2x plus 1. Okay, now squaring both sides, we have 4x square plus 2x plus 1 greater than 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, therefore 4x square plus 8 x plus 4 greater than 4x square plus 4x plus 1, which implies 8x minus 4x 1 minus 4. Okay, therefore 4x greater than minus 3, which implies x greater than minus 3 by 4, but x is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, therefore ये हमारे पास सोल्यूशन आया. x is greater than minus 3 by 4, but it contains minus 1 by 2 also. Hence we write the solution set as minus 3 by 4 to minus 1 by 2 union minus 1 by 2 to infinity. That is the solution. Thank you.